Online marketing can increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, connect you with industry professionals, and much, much more. And these days, social media is essential if you're a designer, photographer, artist, or musician looking to get noticed. Each day, we send 500 million tweets, make 55 million posts to Facebook, and upload 144,000 hours of video to YouTube. Trying to set yourself apart from the competition can be a difficult job. It's not as simple as setting up a Facebook page. CodeSmashers is proud to announce a new course aimed at helping entrepreneurs, freelancers, small business owners, and creative types get started with online marketing. At the end of this workshop, you will be able to develop an online marketing strategy for your organization or personal brand and know how to find and create exciting content to share with your fans. We will also show you the best ways to analyze your social presence with powerful evaluation tools. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Find out more and register at the CodeSmashers website.